The house that we're going to today is 10,400 plus feet. Can you imagine? Do you even know how that big that is? That's like 5 or 6 of my houses. That's crazy. But look at her. Isn't she pretty? Look at that. I believe the house is sold. Look at the street view. Yeah, it's sold. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. I am going to stop and restart. Stay tuned. That's kind of cool, right? You could have people just come in. You got your garages there or your drive-through. Look at the bushes. Oh, how lovely. You know, on beautiful days like this in Southeast Michigan, it's hard not to find something that doesn't look nice, but this house is beautiful. Look at the drive-through. Or the circular driveway, or whatever you want to call this. Okay. There's your entranceway. It's kind of funny. When I first moved to Michigan, people would talk about going to estate sales. I'm like, oh, that's sad. Did someone die? Then I found out, no, probably not. Just selling all their stuff. Okay, look at this. See-through fireplace. You know, how homes like this, I just can't quite capture the whole thing. You kind of have to be here, but hopefully this is giving you an opportunity to experience some of it with me. Look at this. You see that? Okay, now apparently there's a master bedroom here somewhere. Oh dear. What do you think of that? It's a little bit beyond my reach. Although, beautiful bedding, king bedding, $150. The bed. Yeah. I mean, everything's relative, right? Oh, look at the balcony. Isn't that lovely? I don't know if you can see, the neighbor's got a great pool. Let's see if we can see through here. Not really. Okay, we're gonna go downstairs.
She's seeing the stop, she's saying,
Look at this stairway. It's a nice walkout basement. My husband's trying to tell me that I do not need this wine rack. I don't even drink wine. But oh my gosh, it's brilliant. Okay, look at these beautiful glasses. How pretty are they? Let's have a look. $250. Now, when you go to estate sales, you got to remember that when you go on Sunday, typically everything is 50% off, which makes it super fun. Look at the little doctor, how cute. Oh, and look at this guy. You know, it's fun. It's not that you need anything, but so many of these things, if you tried to buy them on your own, you couldn't. Now, I know some people, it just doesn't matter to them. They don't care. They can buy anything. That's not me. All right. This dining set. Oh, Lord. That's gorgeous. Oh, I love that. Look at this. Well, indoor gym. There's that pool I was talking about across the way. Isn't that pretty? All right, indoor gym. Another see-through fireplace. This is in the quote-unquote basement. That's so cool, that drum. Oh my, look at this. You know, I gotta tell you, if you're looking for funky, fun stuff, I can't say enough about, if you think I'm leaving here without that wine rack, you're probably wrong. Look how cool that thing is. I love it. Okay, now we're going up a different set of stairs from the same basement area. Okay. Still haven't decided on my little wine holder because he's so cool. Look at this cool kitchen. Good Lord. There we go. Beautiful.
Too much Beatles.
Pretty cool. Okay, we're back at the front door. We gotta go upstairs now. More house over there. Here's the view from the balcony that we saw from downstairs. There's the front doors. So all kinds of closed doors, but you can see it's a huge place. They usually at estate sales do cash in the garage. So this is the garage view. They do jewelry and little things to protect them. They keep them by the cashier. There's the other garage. I'll tell you one tip. Don't ever buy baskets anywhere other than the dollar store or garage sales and estate sales. Look at these lovely little baskets. Really neat one, interesting, $8. They're all throughout the house, $8. And as I say, if you come on Sunday, it's 50% off. So you go to some high-end store, that's going to be, you know, $20, $30, whatever. But here, it's only 2 or 3. Okay, I'm leaving without my waiter, but here's the deal. What you can do is you can always leave a bid. And if they decide to accept your bid later, they'll call you. So that's just another tip for estate selling. We'll see. I'll let you know if I hear from them. Okay, bye.